The Charts and Graphs page is where you create visual displays of your data. You must have a dataset uploaded in SALT to use this page. Either a dataset imported from WebAssign, an existing SALT dataset, or one you upload yourself. There are 6 types of graphs available: histograms, box plots, dot plots, and scatter plots are created using numerical or quantitative variables. Bar charts and pie charts are created using categorical or qualitative variables. Informational messages in the middle of the screen let you know what type of variable is required for the graph you've selected, and whether that type of variable exists in your dataset. To start, select the variable you want to graph from the Variable to Graph drop-down in Settings. Then select the type of graph. If you want to add a second variable to your graph, select the variable from the Grouping Variable drop-down. This is only available for histograms, box plots, bar charts, and scatter plots. For box plots and histograms, the grouping variable creates additional graphs for each group or level within your dataset, so you can easily compare the shapes of the data for each group. For bar charts, this creates a stacked bar graph. The grouping variable needs to be categorical for all graphs except the scatter plot. SALT displays an error message when a numerical variable is selected for the grouping variable for a histogram, box plot, or bar chart. To fix this, select a categorical variable from the grouping variable dropdown. Or, if there is no categorical variable defined in your dataset, go back to the dataset page to the Variables section in the left panel. Click the gear icon, redefine a numerical variable as categorical, and click Select. If you want to clear a variable, click the X. When creating a histogram, you can adjust the width of the bins or class intervals by changing the bin width value in histogram settings. To indicate the left endpoint of the leftmost bin or class interval, adjust the starting point. Then click Recalculate Bins. To create a scatter plot, select the X value from the Variable to Graph dropdown and the Y value from the Grouping Variable dropdown. You can add and remove the regression line by checking this box. There is a summary table below each graph that displays the summary statistics for the data you've graphed.